This is a 31-piece drill bead set from Bovidix. It comes with a center punch that's made of chrome molybdenum steel and a step drill with sizes from 3/16 to 7/8 of an inch. There are 29 drill beads that are made from M35 grade high-speed steel with 5% cobalt alloy. The sizes are from 1/16 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch. The matrix set comes with a center punch. It's made of chrome molybdenum steel. It's a different type of a punch. The sizes are from 1 mm to 13 mm. The drill beads don't fall out from the box, and of course it comes with a metal box, multi-box, size medium for inch set and size small for metric set. Also, Bovidix has high-speed steel drill beads Pro, high-speed steel drill beads with titanium nitrate coating, and drill beads of M35 grade high-speed steel with 5% cobalt alloy.